In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and manage a domain on HostGator's cPanel. If you're setting up multiple websites or simply organizing your online presence, mastering these steps will be incredibly helpful. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to log into your HostGator cPanel account. Head over to the HostGator website and use your credentials to access your cPanel dashboard. Once you're there, you're greeted with a variety of tools and options. These tools might seem overwhelming at first, but don't worry, cPanel is user-friendly once you know where to look. After you've successfully logged into cPanel, the next step is to find the add-on domains, or domains section. It depends on your account configuration, whether you see one or the other. These sections are typically where you'll manage all your domain-related activities. So go ahead and click on that. This will take you to a page where you can add new domains or manage existing ones. Now, if you're adding a new domain, you'll need to enter the new domain name. As you fill in this information, note the importance of whatever root directory or folder path is automatically generated. This folder path, known as the document root, is crucial because it tells the server where to find the files needed to display your website. Make sure to note this path as it will be important for future steps. With your domain added or selected, let's verify the document root. To do this, navigate to the File Manager in your cPanel. You can usually find this in the main dashboard or under the Files section. Once there, you'll see a breakdown of folders in your hosting account. Typically, domains are stored within the public HTML directory. Locate your domain folder within this path to confirm that everything is set up correctly. If your new domain is, for example, named example.com, you'd likely find a folder named example or something similar under public HTML. Once you've located the correct folder in File Manager, it's time to upload the files of your website. Just make sure you upload these files into the folder you verified earlier. This ensures that when you or anyone else navigates to the domain, what they see is the correct website content. You can either use the upload feature within cPanel's File Manager or opt to upload via FTP, especially if you have a larger volume of files. Finally, make sure you use the correct path when configuring website settings or connecting via FTP. Using the correct document root path ensures